there, today we're making chicken parmigiana, also known as chicken parmesan, and in the United States, chicken parm, in Australia, palmy. You will need 4 chicken breasts, sliced until they're about ½ inch thick. You'll need 60 grams or 2 ounces of butter and 60 grams or 2 ounces of plain flour. In the flour you'll need 2 teaspoons of garlic powder, some salt and pepper, and 2 teaspoons of mixed herbs. You'll also need 140 grams of panko breadcrumbs and 2 tablespoons of olive oil for frying. For the topping, you'll need 100 grams of grated parmesan and 100 grams of grated mozzarella, as well as 2 balls of fresh mozzarella, fresh basil and fresh parsley for the topping. There's a recipe card at the end of the video, so don't worry about writing it down. For the marinara sauce, you will need 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil and 1 chopped diced onion, 2 minced garlic cloves, and also 300 ml of vegetable stock. You'll also need 800 grams or 2 cans of chopped or crushed tomatoes, salt and pepper, 2 teaspoons of sugar and 2 teaspoons of dried herbs, and finally some fresh basil. And don't forget, there's a recipe card at the end of the video, so don't worry about writing it all down. Okay Josh, we're going to make a marinara sauce.
Mariana sauce? What's that?
It's basically a tomato sauce.
Tomatoes.
Can you say chicken parmigiana?
Chicken parmigiana. Chicken pajamas.
Chicken parmigiana.
Chicken pajabaja.
Okay, should we get started on the marinara sauce?
Yeah.
Can you say marinara?
Mariana.
Very good. Tip the oil in the pan, extra virgin olive oil. That's it, perfect. Now we're going to let that warm up a little bit. Okay, pop the onions in. Oh, can you hear that sizzling?
Yeah.
Do you want to give that a stir?
But what is that bread sound, Mummy?
That's the gas stove. Okay, Alex, have you come to join us to make this marinara sauce?
Oh, yeah.
Can you say marinara?
Marinara.
Oh, that's a good try. Now, we've got the onions nice and sautéed. They're sweated down. Can you add the garlic?
Oh, yeah.
Just be careful, the pan might be a little bit hot. So tip that in.
What is this stuff anyway?
Smell it. What does it smell like?
It smells like garlic.
It is garlic. Well done.
Oh my goodness. How am I so clever? How do you smell it? Garlic.
Okay, boys, now I'm going to add some tomatoes to the pan. What does that look like?
Boiling pan. Now
Who wants to stir it? Right, next we're going to add some of this. Vegetable stock.
Vegetable stock. What's it going to taste like? I wonder. It's going to taste like so yummy, isn't it, Alex?
Now, I don't know what it's going to taste like.
Oh, miss. I don't know it's going to be yummy, but I think it is.
What does it smell like now?
Oh, it smells so nice.
Oh, that smells so nice.
Mummy, you smell it. It's delicioso.
It's a what?
Delicioso.
Delicioso?
No, delicioso.
Oh.
That means delicious in Spanish.
Does it?
Yeah.
Okay.
I've learnt it on Dora.
On Dora.
And me, this is the dory.
Right, that's looking really nice. Now, Alex, can you add these mixed herbs?
Okay.
What are they?
They're mixed herbs, dried mixed herbs.
I wonder what it's going to taste like.
So mix those in, Josh.
I'll mix. Alex puts the toppings on.
Okay, now Alex.
Looks all
And you
spicy now, Mummy.
Some sugar.
Sugar. Is it going to taste sweet? That just melted, Mummy.
And can you add some salt and pepper?
Salt and pepper.
Spicy.
Now it's going to taste spicy.
No, spicy.
Spicy, spicy, spicy.
So we turned up the heat until it's nicely simmering, and then we're just going to partially cover the pan and let it simmer for 15 minutes and reduce to a nice thick marinara sauce. Delicious. Alex, do you know what we're going to make?
Chicken Parmigiana.
Chicken Parmigiana.
Oh, that's very, very good. Do you know what chicken parmigiana is?
Chicken Parmigiana. It's basically this,
Parmigiana.
but that's raw, so don't eat this.
That's right, eating raw chicken can make you really poorly with things like salmonella. Great boys, you've all washed your hands, so I'd like you to tip the garlic powder into the flour. That's right, and the mixed herbs and the salt and pepper. Tip it all in and then give it a big stir. And Alfie, you're going to be the first to get a piece of chicken and dip it into the flour mixture, give it a good coat, then put it into the butter before putting it into the breadcrumbs. Now, let's see how you get on.
It's all slippery. I wonder what it feels like. It feels like a giant slug.
Wait, come on, boy. Come on,
You can all have a go each.
Oh my
Hold on.
Now it feels like a tongue.
What's it feel like?
A tongue. Obviously.
Okay, I'll turn it over. Oh, try not to spill it everywhere. Right? And now dip it into the panko breadcrumbs.
Now it feels like bread.
Right. Hold on.
Mommy.
Okay, now put it onto the plate.
This looks good.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Fantastic.
The egg.
Good boy for checking, Josh, because of your egg allergy. Traditional Parmigiana would use egg, but that's melted butter. Okay, Alfie, this is a really, really hot skillet pan. I want you to pour the oil onto the pan, but be really careful because it is hot. That's it all over. Lovely. That's it, it's nice and sizzly. Brown the chicken for about 2 to 3 minutes on each side. Now let's prepare the mozzarella.
This way.
Okay, Josh, do you know what that is?
Ice cream.
Ice cream? No, try again. It's a type of cheese.
Cheddar cheese.
Not cheddar, it's called mozzarella.
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 Okay, so you've washed your hands and now we need to cut the mozzarella into 8 pieces. So each ball into 4. That's it. And that's perfect. Just watch your fingers. Yeah, and it just tears away. Now while you're doing that, just be really careful and I'm going to check on the chicken. So the chicken's nicely browned. We're going to transfer it to a shallow dish to bake in the oven with the sauce and cheese. Okay, Alex, I would like you now to spoon all of the sauce that we made. The marinara sauce.
What we do?
Put the sauce over all the chicken. So if you lift that lid, it's not hot. You can lift the lid. Good boy. I'll pop that over here. Wow, does that look nice?
Yes. Well, one needs spoon.
Now get this spoon here. Now, that's it. Give it a big stir. Ooh, look at that. And can you put that over the chicken? Oh, fantastic. If you've got any sauce left over, once it's cooled, pop it in the fridge and it will keep for up to 1 week.
If cheese going there.
Yep. That's mozzarella and parmesan. Sprinkle it all over.
Yuck. Actually, it's yuck.
Yuck? It's not yuck. Can you say mozzarella?
Mozzarella.
Good boy. Right. You need to put the mozzarella onto the chicken. So try and spread it out so it's nice and even. Okay, that's it. Now we're going to pop it in the oven for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, slice through one of the pieces of chicken to make sure it's cooked and there's no pink bits. And there you have it. Delicious chicken parmigiana. We're going to serve ours with some spaghetti, with some chopped parsley and some chopped basil. Enjoy.
I'm just going to apply a little bit. Actually, it's good. How good is it? Just try it. It's very good.
Where's the chicken? This.
Is that
Thank
nice?
you, Mummy.
Well, you made it.
Look at me.
What do you think, Alfie?
Mummy, look at me.
Great.
Yeah?
I wish I could eat this over dry. Cheers.
And here's the recipe card. Don't forget to subscribe to see next week's video.